Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're exploring the top 3 best adjustable bodyweight vests perfect for taking your workouts to the next level with customizable resistance and ergonomic design. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the VBSD Adjustable Bodyweight Vest. The VBSD Adjustable Bodyweight Vest is designed to elevate any fitness routine with customizable resistance and all-day comfort. Starting at a base weight of 4 pounds, it includes 6 additional 1-pound iron sandbags, allowing users to adjust the load up to 10 pounds. This flexible system makes it easy to tailor workout intensity for different training stages, whether you're building endurance, increasing strength, or fine-tuning performance. Engineered with ergonomic balance in mind, the vest ensures even weight distribution so movement feels natural and controlled. Its snug, streamlined design stays close to the body, offering freedom of motion during running, jumping, stretching, or lifting. Made from breathable neoprene, it remains comfortable against the skin even during high-intensity sessions. The wide padded shoulder straps help reduce pressure and keep the vest feeling light and stable, while the dual buckle system and elastic webbing create a secure fit for both men and women. Versatile in application, the vest supports a wide range of activities including walking, cardio workouts, yoga, martial arts, and strength training. A convenient back mesh pocket provides easy storage for essentials such as a phone, keys, or small accessories, keeping them secure without hindering movement. Reflective strips on the shoulders and back enhance visibility outdoors, adding an extra layer of safety during early morning or late evening exercise. With its thoughtful design and practical features, the VSD weighted vest also makes a meaningful gift. Whether for International Father's Day, birthdays, or as a surprise for fitness-focused family and friends, it offers both functionality and an enjoyable unboxing experience. Support is available anytime, ensuring users get the most out of their training companion. Next up, at number 2, comes the Apexup Adjustable Bodyweight Vest. The Apexup Adjustable Bodyweight Vest is built to bring flexible resistance and added intensity to any workout routine. Designed for users at all fitness levels, it features a base weight paired with 6 removable sandbags, allowing smooth customization. With 3 distinct weight ranges, 4 to 10 pounds, 12 to 18 pounds, and 30 to 32 pounds, it adapts effortlessly to training progress, enabling you to scale workouts without the need for multiple vests. Crafted from high-quality soft neoprene, the vest maintains a comfortable fit while ensuring long-lasting durability. Its iron sand filling provides balanced weight distribution, helping to minimize strain and reduce discomfort during movement. Reinforced stitching supports frequent use, and reflective straps enhance visibility for safer early morning or nighttime outdoor sessions. A spacious front mesh pocket offers practical storage for essentials like a phone, keys, or other small items, keeping your hands free and your workout uninterrupted. The customizable detachable patch adds a touch of personality and motivation, making each session feel uniquely yours. With its streamlined one-piece design, the vest suits a wide variety of activities including yoga, running, walking, cycling, or general training at home, at work, or in the gym. Its versatile build makes it a suitable choice for both men and women seeking to elevate their fitness with adjustable weighted resistance. Backed by Apexup's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, the vest comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring a worry-free purchase and dependable performance throughout your fitness journey. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Zelus Adjustable Bodyweight Vest. The Zelus Adjustable Bodyweight Vest is designed to elevate everyday workouts with a blend of smart engineering, comfort, and convenience. Built with a base weight of 4 pounds, the vest can be increased up to 10 pounds using 6 included 1-pound iron sandbags. This adjustable load makes it suitable for a wide variety of training routines, helping users add low-impact resistance that enhances core strength and overall endurance. Its ergonomic one-size-fits-most design ensures the weight is evenly distributed, maintaining balance even during high-intensity movements. The hook and loop fasteners allow a secure and customizable fit, making the vest ideal for both teens and adults. Whether you're practicing yoga, jogging, cycling, or doing a vigorous kickboxing session, the soft neoprene construction keeps the vest comfortable against the body while delivering durability for long-term use. Practical features further enhance the training experience. A wide pocket provides space for carrying essentials like keys, a wallet, or a smartphone without disrupting your motion. For outdoor workouts, the reflective strips on the front, shoulders, and back improve visibility and safety, keeping you seen in low-light environments. With 24/7 customer support, Zelus ensures users can train confidently and without worry. The adjustable weighted vest is a reliable companion for breaking through fitness plateaus and adding effective resistance to any workout routine. Ready to level up your workouts? Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more fitness gear guides.